everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your spiritual guide Himani. So I'm back with my weekly horoscope. So second week of December has started. So let's see कि universe हमको क्या गाइड कर रहे हैं इस हफ्ते, हमें कैसे प्लान करना है अपना वीक. तो ये वीक है 7th of December से 13th of December तक. तो मैं जनरली रीडिंग मून साइन से करती हूँ. इन केस आपको आपका मून साइन नहीं पता है तो आप ये सन साइन से भी देख सकते हैं. इट्स अ जनरल रीडिंग. हैव फेथ इन योर सेल्फ, इन योर गॉड. सो यूनिवर्स विल डेफिनेटली गाइड यू. आप मेरे साथ जरूर कनेक्ट करेंगे. जस्ट हैव फुल फेथ एंड सी आपको क्या गाइडेंस मिला है या आपको क्या जानने की जरूरत है. मैं टाइम स्टैम्प दे दूंगी ऑल द जोडिएक साइंस का. आप अकॉर्डिंगली अपना जोडिएक से चेक कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको मेरे से जुड़ना है तो मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स रहेंगे. आप डेफिनेटली वहां से मुझे रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. आई एम रेडी टू गाइड एंड हेल्प यू. बट before starting, I request everyone, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my new videos and it will motivate me. Please like the video अगर आपको guidance पसंद आए and share this video with your family and friends so that they can also enjoy the guidances and reading. So let's start the video. First zodiac sign is Aries, that is मेष राशि. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Aries आपके लिए जो कार्ड आया है वो है प्रिंसेस ऑफ विंटर का. दैट मीन्स you are very inquisitive this week. You are very realistic and undiplomatic, very truthful also. आप सच्चाई से काम करते हैं और आप सच्चाई बताने में बिल्कुल भी झिझकते नहीं हैं. सो समटाइम्स क्या होता है, इंफॉर्मेशन दैट कैन हेल्प यू बट विच इज ऑलवेज डिफिकल्ट टू हियर. तो आप इतने ब्लंट और ट्रूथफुल हो कि आप अगर किसी को वो सच्चाई बता दोगे, आई नो आपको पता है कि उसके लिए वो बेहतर है, बट यू डोंट रियलाइज कि आप कैसे वो इंफॉर्मेशन उनको बता रहे हो जिससे हो सकता है वो हर्ट हो जाए. तो स्पीक द ट्रूथ विथ काइंडनेस. आई नो यू आर ब्लंट, तो ये आपको सीखने की जरूरत है कि ट्रूथ बोलो लेकिन काइंडनेस के साथ, ताकि सामने वाले को बुरा ना लगे. आई नो उसके लिए बहुत बेहतर ही आप बता रहे हो, बट कई बार बोलने के तरीके से भी गड़बड़ हो जाती है. सो वी शुड स्पीक द ट्रूथ बट विथ काइंडनेस. और हो सकता है इस हफ्ते यू माइट बी वेरी इंक्विजिटिव टू नो ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल्स. आप ये जानना चाहते हो ये हुआ कैसे है एंड हाउ इसका ये आंसर कैसे आया या कुछ भी, वॉट एवर इट इज. बट दिस वीक यू आर वेरी इंक्विजिटिव एरीज. So be careful and all the best. So let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, that is Taurus. So let's see कि Taurus के लिए क्या guidance है. Okay, so for Taurus we have the card Prince of Winter, which means this week you are very determined towards your work. You are very focused and very intellectual. Also, if you are stuck somewhere and you need solution, this is the right week to seek out intellectual solutions for your problems, or you might guide others logically and intellectually and give solutions to their problems. Also, it is the week where you need to act quickly and decisively, not to be confused or indecisive. This is the week where you need to act quickly and decisively, but not impulsively. So you have to be very careful in deciding anything. Have proper research and then decide. Also, there might be some sudden or unexpected changes happening in your life or about to happen, Taurus. Be careful and be prepared for it. So all the best. चलिए next zodiac sign Gemini. Let's see the guidance for Gemini. So let's hold the card. Okay, so Gemini, for you the card is Awakening, which means this is the time where you need to pause and take action later. It is the time to reevaluate yourself. What is your life purpose? Why you are on this earth? What you need to do in life? So sometimes temporary pauses are very necessary to know exactly what we need to do in life. Embrace your uniqueness. Everybody is unique in in their own perspective, so you have to be embracing your uniqueness, not to compare with others. You have to embrace your uniqueness. Also, it is the week where you need to change the way you look at the situation. कई बार हम situation को जिस एंगल से देखते हैं, maybe वो that angle is not correct and we take it wrongly. So we have to change the way to look at the situation. Also, go with the flow, don't rush out things. It is the time to take a pause and then take action. All the best, Gemini. So now let us move ahead and see the guidance for Cancer. Let's see the guidance for Cancer. Okay, Cancer, for you the card is Balance, which means this is the time to take everyone's input into consideration, merge these viewpoints and have a better solution. कई बार दूसरों की ओपिनियंस और अपनी ओपिनियंस को मिक्स करके एक बहुत ही अच्छा सोल्यूशन निकलता है. It is always advisable to take others opinion also and choose the best one which is suiting you. So ultimately choose आपको ही करना है, but it is always good to take the viewpoints or opinions of others into consideration as well. Don't rush out things. Take your time and slowly move ahead. It is the time to be patient. It is the time to take baby steps and slowly move out things. All the best, Cancer. Be practical and have a balanced approach. All the best. So, chaliye, next zodiac sign, Leo. Let's see the guidance for Leo. Okay. So, Leo, for you, the card is the Moon, which means you have to let go of unconscious fears and worries. Sometimes we are involved with so much of worries, so much of fear that we are not able to move ahead. Worry is holding us back. Maybe past worries or maybe past traumas, which is not letting us to see the opportunities. So it is the time to understand the truth of the situation, learn from it and move on. Don't hold on your fears and worries. You have to let go of them. Listen to your instinct. You have a powerful instinct. Listen to your instinct and move ahead. Don't hold on fears and worries which will not serve any purpose and which will not let you to move ahead and see different opportunities. So all the best, Leo. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Virgo. चलिए देखते हैं वर्गो के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, so Virgo, for you the card is Prince of Summer, which means this week you are very flirtatious, you are very romantic, you are very dramatic. Sometimes it is also part of life and it is required to be flirtatious, it is required to be more romantic, but sometimes it is positive, sometimes it is negative. So falling in love suddenly, this week you might fall in love suddenly. You might get love at first sight. Somebody came into your life and you straight away fall in love with them. But at the same time, be careful because you might land into too much of emotional experience and that person might swept off your feet and you may feel emotionally drained. So it is advisable to fall in love but not quickly or suddenly. Take your time and be careful and stay grounded. Otherwise, too much of emotional experience might cause you trouble. So it is always better to fall in love but with staying grounded. So all the best, Virgo. So let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, that is Libra. Let's see what is stored for Libra. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is Three of Winter, which means this week there is painful and disappointed situation, maybe you had a heartbreak, so it is advisable to reach out to others for comfort and love. Don't hold on alone, don't stay alone and feel discomfort and sadness alone. It is advisable to reach out to others for comfort and love. You will grow stronger from this situation. Cry out loud, release the pain. You will definitely grow stronger from this situation, and sadness will heal with time. Don't worry, it's a part of life. Disappointment, sadness comes in our life, but that makes us more stronger, and we come out with this situation quickly, and it heals with time. Only thing is, you have to reach out to others for comfort and love who are close to you. Their comfort will definitely heal the situation quickly. So all the best, Libra. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Scorpio. Let's see what is the card. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is King of Winter, which means this week you are very knowledgeable and experienced. You are fair minded towards your team. You take decisions very carefully and very fair. Also, if you are seeking advice for your career or anything, get advice from someone who are very professional and objective related to the matter. So, if you are taking career advice, go to a good career counselor who can give you professional advice. This is the good week for people who are motivational speakers, who are public speaking, who are good in communication. So this is the right week for them. Also, you might be in an unemotional relationship, or you prefer career rather than relationship. So this week singles might focus on their career and not in a relationship, or somebody's relationship is struggling. It can be unemotional relationship, so be careful, and all the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Sagittarians. Let's see what is stored for Sagittarians. Okay, so Sagittarians, for you the card is Queen of Winter, which means this is the time to let go of things which is not serving any purpose. Don't hold on people or situations which are causing you sadness and discomfort. It is the time to let go of people and things. Also, this week you are very strong, you are very patient, you are very self sufficient and independent. You are focused on your career. It is the time to focus on your career. Singles or unmarried want to remain unmarried and not to focus on relationship. Till then they are stable in their career. So this is the week where you are more focused towards your career. It also indicates divorced individual. So maybe your relationship is struggling, and you know you might file for divorce. So it is the week where divorced individuals or who have broken marriages are more focused towards your career rather than remarry. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Capricorn. Let's see the guidance for Makar Rashi. Okay, Capricorns, for you the card is Star, which means this is the hopeful week for you, a very positive week for you. So you look at the future with hope and optimism. This is the week where Capricorns, you look at the future, hope and optimism. You have the power to move mountains. So you have that much faith and hope that you can even move the mountains. So you are very optimistic and positive. It is the week where you might have happy changes that will bring relief from challenge times. This is the week for you, Capricorn. It is the week where your troubled times are over and there are happy changes in your life. So, all the best. Let us move ahead for the next zodiac, Aquarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card is Three of Spring, which means plan your next step with an eye to long term. So this is the week where you need to focus on long term future, and you have to plan your steps accordingly. Whatever your career goals are, whatever you have planned for it, so you have to plan it for the future. Have patience. There are more good things to come. You are on the right path. You are about to reach your success, but you have to be patient. Continue doing hard work. Things will be in your favor. Satisfaction from a job, so you are satisfied with your job, well done. So you are satisfied, you have to have patience to achieve success. Things will move at the right time. All the best, Aquarius. Now the last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance for Pisces. Okay, so Pisces, for you, we have Six of Summer, a beautiful card. This week, you might be reliving your childhood memories. You are thinking about your childhood. You have a smile on your face about thinking about childhood memories, or you might meet your ex or your childhood friend. So there will be return of your childhood friend. There you will spend time with them. There will be romance, a harmonious relationship with your partner. So it is advisable to think about good situations rather than worst situations. So it is advisable to think about good childhood memories rather than, rather than worst memories. So we should always remember good childhood memories. So all the best, Pisces, and thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope these weekly guidances will definitely help you to plan your week. Till then, take care. See you next week. Bye bye.